Each IntelliDoX docking module package contains one IntelliDoX module with a factory-installed nest for the BW Clip portable gas detector. Each enabler kit contains the power adapter, the power cord, and Ethernet cable, quick connect fittings, calibration cylinder gas and exhaust tubing, a purge inlet filter assembly, IntelliDoX inlet end plate, and a CD containing the IntelliDoX operator's manual in PDF format and Fleet Manager 2 software. You need one enabler kit for each standalone IntelliDoX or gang of 5 connected modules. If any of these enabler kit parts are damaged or missing, or if additional enabler kits are required, contact BW Technologies by Honeywell or an authorized distributor immediately. For more videos about IntelliDoX, visit our website, honeywellanalytics.com.